Welcome to our comparison of two popular Ring products, the Ring Video Doorbell and the Ring Indoor Cam. In this video, we will explore their features, pricing, and ideal placements to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Ring Video Doorbell is priced at $99, while the Ring Indoor Cam is more affordable at $59. This significant price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and the features you prioritize. In terms of features, the Ring Video Doorbell offers 1080p HD video, improved motion detection, and easy installation, making it ideal for outdoor security. On the other hand, the Ring Indoor Cam provides color night vision, two-way talk, and a manual privacy cover, focusing on indoor surveillance and privacy. Each product has unique features, catering to different needs. Placement is another critical factor. The Ring Video Doorbell is designed for outdoor use, allowing you to monitor your front door from anywhere. In contrast, the Ring Indoor Cam is intended for indoor use only, providing security and monitoring within your home. Choosing the right product depends on where you need surveillance. In conclusion, if you need outdoor security, the Ring Video Doorbell is the better choice. However, if you are looking for affordable indoor security with a focus on privacy, the Ring Indoor Cam is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.